Okay, so I think today is your third day, right? Am I right? And
Yes,
till
ma'am. Yes,
time you
ma'am.
are well aware
Yes,
and
ma'am.
well
Yes, ma'am.
familiar with
Yes,
the
ma'am.
yes, well familiar with the college rules and regulations about our culture, course curriculum. So today we'll discuss in this class about the placement, right? What how's a placement and what is CRC? It stands for what? What are the challenges in corporate world and what are the opportunities? And finally, are we really ready to face our challenges? Right? So let's start. But before I start this session, let me introduce myself first. I am Dr. Neelam Sharma and my association with Bharatiya Vidyapit is more than 10 years. I am taking care of placement, your summer internship, your guest talk, lectures. I'm also teaching and before I mean whatever the activities which is related to your career. So we are taking care of that part. So we have a very regular interaction with corporate world for your grooming, right? And before Bharatiya Vidyapit, I was associated with Delhi School of Economics, University of Delhi, and IIP University. And in fact, I have started my career as a journalist with the Sahara newspaper and Midday newspaper. And now I am associated it's around 10 years and taking care of MBA, BBA, BCA, and law also. And in this session, we are going to discuss how we are working, right? So CRC is a corporate resource cell, right? And we are going to discuss a journey from campus to corporate world. So CRC is what? It's a corporate resource cell, and this cell is taking care of placement of students and provide a very transparent placement process to the management student, and it includes lots of activities like pre-placement talks, presentations, dot allocation, which is comprising of written test, group discussions, online test, personal interviews. So we are here to help you students to bridging the gap between the student and the corporate. And the role of CRC team is not just confined to the placement process, but also we follow with the companies after your job offering through monitoring and feedback to make to ensure quality service and support. Right. This is a CRC. CRC is an ASL who's taking care of placement of students, of management students, and provide a very transparent placement process. Right. And the vision of CRC is bridging the gap between the energetic and aspiring student of Bharati Vidyapeeth with industry for meeting their personal requirement and to promote entrepreneurship. It means this cell is not helping only for providing placement, but if you wanted to start your own business, you wanted to become entrepreneur, we are here to help you. And we have a very effective cell in this college. That's the ED cell, and Tipti ma'am is taking care of this cell. And we under this cell we are inviting people from the industry, and we are inviting corporate entrepreneurs also. They are coming and share their business plan, and they teach you how you can start your business, how you can become a successful entrepreneur. Right? This is our vision. It means we are bridging the gap between students and industry. Plus, we are promoting students if they wanted to start their own business, right? So, the objective of CRC is to bring. We are trying to bring industry and academia closer in terms of having productive discussion about the opportunities where they can work for mutual benefit, right? Number two objective is to explore maximum possibilities of having customized curriculum as the need of the industry, right? And the third objective is to discuss. We have a regular interaction with the industry people and discuss the need of industry, what they are required in terms of competent manpower and how academia can help them to bring desired skill set. So as per the company, as per the recruiters, as per the corporate, what they are required, we regularly updating our course curriculum and preparing our students to face all such challenges, right? Uh, So role of CRC, because of we normally start this activity from July onwards. So first of all, what we are doing, we make a list of the companies, right? So the parameter of listing of companies, first of all we identify कौन से sectors को include करना है, then location wise, sector wise, and finally salary wise. And we are making list from the internet, newspaper, magazines, alumni, placement portal, right? And for this we are sending invitation to the specialist and the industry, and we are also sending our students to the industry for presentation. It means we have a very regular communication with the companies for getting good placement and summer internship. You know, it has some benefits, like what? Students are getting first hand information about the corporate, right? They try to understand what company desire, what is the need of the industry, so that they can groom themselves as per the industry requirement. जब आप लोग रेगुलर इंडस्ट्री से मिलते हो, इफ यू गो फॉर प्रेजेंटेशन, यू ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आपसे रिक्रूटर क्या चाहता है. So accordingly that you can groom yourself, right? Even industry people are getting benefit. They come to know about the quality of Bharatiya Vidyapeeth when they have a regular interaction with our students. So they understand ki how much, I mean, what is the course curriculum we are providing them and what quality we have in our college, right? And students get opportunity, then through this they are getting first information about the corporate world, right? And what is the placement process? So first of all, as I told you, we start this activity from July onwards. We start sending students for presentation and invite for pre-placement talks. And after getting this feedback from students, we schedule placement week. So normally we have a placement week in the month of December. It means once you are done with your first semester examination, so in the time of December, after your examination, we conduct placement weeks, right? So during placement week we try to invite maximum companies in our college, right? So our strong pillar जो हमारे college की जो strength है, that's the advisory board. So we have a very elite people, very high profile people from the industry. They are the part of our advisory board, right? Secondly, we have a very innovative learning technique. So now you're the part of Bharati Vidyapeeth. You will come to know the way we are teaching. So where we are adopting our techniques. So you can understand this is a very strong pillar. It's a very strong pillar of our this team, right? There we have a very regular industry interaction and alumni. We have a very strong alumni data with us. So time to time they are coming in a college for guest talks, and they are doing mentoring our students, and even sometimes they provide companies lead for placement, right? And of course faculty is the strongest and the very strong pillar. So when we are part of this Bharatiya Vidyapeeth College, you understand ki how much faculty is taking care of our students, right? This is the placement chart. I'm talking about the this chart is a particular for management student. So even during this lockdown, we were able to place 32 students in different organizations like EY, Byju's, Exa, LL, Excel, and these are the companies. Even during lockdown process was going on, and 32 students were get placed in different organizations with good packages, right? Even we have a very good placement for BBA students, but normally what happened, very a few students are going for further placement. So normally students are going for further study, but of course if you wanted to go for placement, you wanted to adopt, you wanted to part of CRC, you are always welcome. And I'll request to Nancy ma'am to add me in your WhatsApp group so I can share my form with you. So anybody is wanted to be part of CRC, please give me your names, and after getting your name, we have a interviews, we'll take interviews, and then we can decide students for the CRC team, right? And then we have also taken care of summer internship. So
Ma'am.
students, after your hello, yes, am I audible? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is this the
Yes.
data for MBA or BBA?
this is the data for MBA students. I can slide. I think somehow I have missed my slide for BBA student, but I can tell you कि companies कौन सी इस BBA के लिए आई थी. We had like Diva company था, KPMG, AC Nielsen, Byju's, Charu Education, Lenskart. So these are the companies. But normally, what happens? Students are not very much keen for placement. So I can give you an example because of normally after your second year वी टेक अंडरटेकिंग फ्रॉम द स्टूडेंट्स. ठीक है, हम उसमें एक आपसे अंडरटेकिंग लेते हैं कि हाउ मेनी स्टूडेंट्स आर वांटेड टू गो फॉर प्लेसमेंट, या किसको अपना बिजनेस करना है, या हाउ मेनी आर वांटेड टू गो फॉर फर्दर स्टडी. सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दिस वी नॉर्मली go ahead with the placement. Just a minute, just a minute. Okay, so after your second year, I mean after your fourth semester, you students need to go for summer placement. ये एक आपका एक training होता है, that is an industry training, and the duration of this training is 45 to 50 working days. It means during your vacation, summer vacation is a 2 months vacation, and you need to work for 45 to 50 working days, right? So after this summer training, you come to know about the realities of corporate world, and the purpose of this training is to make you familiar with the functioning of corporate world, so that we can shape you as a competent manager for tomorrow, right? Okay, so I'll tell you one thing what CRC is taking care of for doing, and what we are doing for our students. So we are conducting lots of activities. So first of all, we have a CCPPS activity, and this program is very especially designed for management students, right? And the purpose of this program is to provide you soft skill, hard skill, and life skill training, and that include GDPI, interview preparation, and mock interviews. Secondly, we organize aptitude test for our student, because the aptitude test is a very important part of placement process, right? Even CRC is doing mentoring of our students before interview and after interview. What happened? जब भी company campus में आती है, students are a bit confused कि ma'am how we can go ahead with this organization, what is our parameter, what is the eligibility, are we fit for this organization. So we are doing mentoring. We try to tell them ki how you can go ahead, how you can groom yourself, how can you prepare yourself for this company. So this is the, we are working in that direction, right? So you please take this slide. It is a very, very important slide for student. We have divided three different category, right? Is a topper, achiever, and scholar. Students, are you getting my point? Yes? Yes, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Are you getting it ना? समझ में आ रहा है कि इसको?
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. Definitely, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, fine, fine.
Ma'am, like I have some doubts. Can I ask?
Beta, can we discuss your doubts
Yeah.
after this
Yes, ma'am.
presentation? Let's make it
Sure,
very
ma'am.
interactive. It will be take 15 minutes time, right? Then we'll
All right.
discuss. Huh? So
Okay.
you just go through this PPT, because if you understand कि what are the rules and regulation, right? So हम लोगों ने तीन category को बनाया हुआ है. एक है topper, achiever, and scholar. It is very important slide for all students, right? So topper category में जो आता है throughout 70% in your 10th, 12th graduation, right? And your attendance should not be less than 80%, and no backlog, and very good feedback from your HODs, deans, and CRC. You are getting unlimited chances for placement. You can sit for number of companies. There is no cap. Okay, clear? So you're getting unlimited number of chances for sitting in campus placement. ठीक है? This is the top category. Second category है achiever category. That is your percentage is throughout 65% in 10th, 12th graduation, And your attendance is very important. It should not be less 75%. In no backlog, good feedback, you're going to get 15 chances. You can avail 15 chances, right? For sitting in campus placement. And third category is a scholar. So if your marks are 60%, your attendance is 70%, or one or two backlog, average feedback, so you're going to avail only and only 7 chances. Good, right? So this slide is very important. Please keep in your mind because it is your first year. So you have to be careful about your attendance, about your feedback, about your participation in the class, right? Is there any doubt? You can ask me. Yes, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I'm like, if I get a placement in say BPA and for say company A, so will I be eligible to take another interview for company B?
ओके, आई एम कमिंग टू दिस पॉइंट. ठीक है, ये वाला स्लाइड क्लियर हो गया आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, so we have three categories: topper, achievers and scholars, right? So we have set certain rules and regulations, like because of now the batch size is too much, 60 students are there, so it is not possible to talk one to one. So we have some communication channels. So we are doing all communication through ERP and email. So it is my advice to all of you, please check regularly your mails, your WhatsApp messages, okay? So बाद में ये नहीं बोलना sorry ma'am, we didn't check our message, we didn't check our mail. So it is my request, अभी आप अपने इसमें फोन में नोटिफिकेशन डाल दो, जो जो भी मेल स्पेशली सीआरसी से आता है, you please be careful, right? Secondly, no resume will be accepted after the deadline. It means ki if we say one company Byju's is coming on 15th of October, so you have to submit your resume by 10th of October. It means 10th you have to give me your resumes, right? So once you set your resume for any company, you cannot back out. You understand this thing? Because of क्या होता है, जैसे for example KPMG is coming our college for hiring MBA BBA student. So first of all, we always ask to company, share your job description. What is the job description? For example, KPMG is coming, so they will mention very clearly about the company क्या करती है, what is their business, what job profile they are going to offer you, what location they are offering you, and what package they are offering you. So there are four things which is very important, and it is your concern. ये कंपनी क्या है, आपको जॉब प्रोफाइल क्या ऑफर कर रहे हैं, हाउ मच पैकेज दे आर ऑफरिंग यू, एंड लोकेशन क्या है. यहाँ तक स्टूडेंट्स बिलीव पे इट इज योर चॉइस. It is up to you if you wanted to participate in this company or not. Or for this, you can always concern. We'll give you time, 2 to 3 days. You can concern to your parents. Uh, you can talk to your father. Dad, can I sit for this company? This is the company. ये हमें पैकेज दे रहे हैं, ये प्रोफाइल है और ये लोकेशन है. It may be दिल्ली से बाहर भी हो सकता है. So once you say yes, ma'am, we are comfortable with this company, we would like to go ahead, and we are the part of this company, you cannot back out. वहां तक प्योरली आपकी चॉइस है कि आपको बैठना है नहीं बैठना. बट वंस यू से वी एग्रीड ऑल टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन, वी आर कंफर्टेबल. फॉर एग्जांपल केपीएमजी का लोकेशन चेन्नई में है एंड यू आर कंफर्टेबल, यू से यस मैम. बाद में देर इज नो पॉइंट टू से नो मैम, हमें घर में अलाउ नहीं करे दिल्ली से बाहर जाना. उसके बाद वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू एक्सेप्ट दिस रीजन, दिस एक्सक्यूज. ओके, we are going to share all the information with you about the company, package, profile, location. वहां तक purely आपकी choice है, but once you are comfortable with all terms and condition, you cannot back out, right? So जब भी कोई कंपनी कैंपस में आती है, वी ट्राई टू कंडक्ट मॉक इंटरव्यूज, प्रैक्टिस क्लासेस आपको देते हैं, क्योंकि यू आर फ्रेशर्स, यू डोंट हैव एक्सपीरियंस. सो वी ट्राई टू कंडक्ट जीडीपीआई टू ग्रूम यू, to make you prepare so that you can face the interview. But if you wanted to participate in that particular drive, you have to participate in mock interviews activity, right? So first of all communication will be done through ERP. You have to meet all deadlines. Once you say yes, we are comfortable, you cannot back out. And if you wanted to participate, you have to participate in placement activities, like you have to participate in GDPI activities, right? Okay. And your point जो आप उससे पूछ रहे थे, if a student has a selected in any campus placement and has received mail या offer, you cannot say no. This is a point आप मुझसे पूछ रहे थे. Normally because it was your choice. For example, we have two companies at the same time in our college. KPMG का पैकेज 4 लाख रुपीस है, बायजूस का 10 लाख का पैकेज है. It is purely your choice कि किस कंपनी में आपको बैठना है. Are you getting my point, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, ma'am.
Okay. For example, we have two companies in our college at the same time, KPMG and second Byju's. Byju's is offering 10 lakh rupees, KPMG is offering 4 lakh rupees. It is your choice कि आपको बैठना है या नहीं बैठना है. ठीक है. So once you say, ma'am, yes, we are interested in both companies. ठीक है. बट आपका रिजल्ट केपीएमजी का पहले आता है 4 लाख का पैकेज का, और अभी उसका आपका बायजूस का भी रिजल्ट अवेटेड है, और इन बिटवीन यू गेट सेलेक्टेड इन केपीएमजी, you have to accept KPMG, और द मोमेंट वी गेट कॉन्फर्मेशन फ्रॉम द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, उसी टाइम हम आपको दूसरी कंपनी के लिए स्टॉप कर देंगे, बिकॉज इट वाज योर चॉइस. इट इज जस्ट गैम्बल की रिजल्ट पहले कहां से आ गया है, बट इट डजंट मीन कि नहीं मैम मेरा तो अभी रिजल्ट अवेटेड है 10 लाख रुपीस वाला, मेरे को उसमें जाना है, तो आप उसमें ही अप्लाई करो. क्लियर?
Okay, so that means we need to apply, or we can give interviews for both the companies, but it depends on the results
बेटा
status.
इट इज योर चॉइस ना, आप अपनी चॉइस से बैठो, एक के लिए बैठो. यू वांटेड टू गो हेड ओनली फॉर 10 lakh rupees, don't sit for 4 lakh rupees. But sometimes students are very keen. KPMG is a very good brand. They are offering research profile. No, मुझे research में ही जाना है, भले 4 लाख का पैकेज है. बायजूस का मार्केटिंग का प्रोफाइल है, नहीं नहीं मुझे नहीं जाना है. You should be clear in your mind. Clear? But it was your choice. I didn't say कि आपको बैठना है. It was purely your choice. आपको एक में बैठना है, दो में बैठना है, किसी में नहीं बैठना है, इट्स प्योरली योर चॉइस. बट वंस यू आर कंफर्टेबल विद बोथ कंपनीज, और इट्स अ मैटर ऑफ रिजल्ट पहले किसका आया है, तो यू हैव टू एक्सेप्ट इट. एम आई क्लियर?
Yes,
एम आई
ma'am.
क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what about internship opportunities?
Okay, we are internship is in the second year.
Yes, ma'am.
We'll
So, ma'am,
discuss
do
later on.
companies come here?
Yes.
Okay.
We'll discuss after this placement. Is that after this placement? So secondly, we have certain expectation from students, right? So as and when we have campus in our college, जब भी company campus में आती है, on campus या off campus, anyway, you have to come in formals. No hanky panky, no t-shirt, no jeans. You have to come in formals only, right? Try to, as I told you, try to follow deadlines strictly and maintain decorum. As and when we have company pre-placement talk is going on, so you have to sit, you have to attend and maintain decorum, right? Or for example, KPMG is in our college, they are coming on 15th. हाँ, अभी तो हमारा virtual चल रहा है, but I am sure college is going to open very shortly. जब भी college खोलेगा, so companies is coming in a college, they definitely going to give you presentation. Then in finally they ask you, is there any question, any query? तो उस टाइम आप लोगों को क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए, इट इज माय एडवाइस, प्लीज बिफोर सीटिंग फॉर एनी कंपनी, विजिट देयर वेबसाइट. ट्राई टू गेट मैक्सिमम इंफॉर्मेशन. जो भी आपके डाउट्स हैं, जो भी आपको पूछना है, यू जस्ट नोट डाउन इन अ पेपर. Okay, once they are done with their presentation, you can ask this question. इससे क्या होता है, एक बहुत पॉजिटिव इम्पैक्ट कंपनीज में जाता है, एंड यू गेट ऑल द क्लैरिटी ऑल्सो कि आपको जो पूछना था. जब तक आप उनकी वेबसाइट विजिट नहीं करोगे, यू आर नॉट क्लियर अबाउट द कंपनी, अबाउट द प्रोफाइल, अबाउट देयर बिजनेस, अबाउट देयर टर्नओवर. So it is my advice, as and when companies are coming or you are going for campus placement, you visit their website, try to get maximum information, Google all the their profile, their business, and gather information regarding profile, prospect, business environment, right? And try to gain maximum experience and learning from this kind of talks, this kind of guest talks, training sessions, right? Which is organized by CRC time to time. Clear? So this is a different activities. which is taking care of by CRC. We are always part of admission. I remember very well कि before taking admission in Bharatiya Vidyapeeth, many parents visited in CRC to know, to understand कि how's the college, क्या curriculum है, how's the placement, कौन कौन सी companies आ रही हैं, how much package are offering, कौन कौन से profiles हैं. So we always do counseling, we always guide them कि what is the reality and how many companies are coming with how many packages and for how many profiles. So we are the part of admission process. Then we are the part of industry exposure. It means time to time we organize guest talks, conference or seminars, and we also organize industrial visit to the student so that you can practical knowledge, practical information about the organizations. And then we have a corporate tie-up. So we have a regularly signing MOU LU with the organization. जब भी company campus में आती है, so we sign a some memorandum. उसमें we agreed on certain issues like they are able to provide us a placement, summer internship, guest talk, industrial visit, be a part of our interview panel. So this kind of activities done by CRC, and we are taking feedback from the companies about the students, and we're taking feedback from the students about the company. So it is a both side कि आपको कंपनी में क्या अच्छा लगा, क्या आपको नेगेटिव पॉइंट लगा, एंड द सेम टाइम कंपनी से पूछते हैं कि हाउ डू फाइंड अवर स्टूडेंट्स, राइट. And time to time then we organize alumni meet. It is the alumni meet is a milap, which we are calling it this event as a milap in the month of December only. And what is the output of such activities, admission process, industry and exposure, corporate IF, we have an excellent placement. Okay. So हम लोगों ने समझ लिया what is CRC and what does it mean and stand for what. So now corporate has some expectation from the students, right? So they are always looking student with certain qualities like leadership quality. What is leadership quality? Students should be able to should be good in planning, right? Delegation उसमें होना चाहिए, logical होना चाहिए, systematic होना चाहिए, and should be creative. These are the quality of leadership. So they are looking, as and when they hire student, they are very keen about the students leadership quality kitna. I think I'll tell you one thing students very clearly, please keep in your mind, very important. जब भी company campus में आती है, they are very keen about your attitude at the time of placement. You know, your academic matter only 12%. Your attitude, that is 88%. एटीट्यूड में आपका लीडरशिप आता है, आपका इनिशिएटिव आता है, आपका टीम वर्क आता है. तो दे आर वेरी कंसर्न कि अगर आपको दे कैन ग्रूम यू इफ यू आर academically not very strong, but they cannot change your attitude. So attitude should be very positive. Huh? So attitude is 88% and your academic is just 12%. So these are the trend for the leadership, initiative, people skill, integrity. So they are very keen for all such. They have a high expectation from the management student. The student should be good in planning, should be creativity should be there. Then if you are a good planner, you should be know how to initiate it. So leadership, initiative, you are a good leader, you can start it. But if you don't have any team work, आपको टीम में काम नहीं करना आ रहा है, आप you're not a good listener, you're not able to control your team. So these are the qualities their companies are looking in a student. And the financial integrity should be very honest, right? So these are the expectation which is expected from the management students, right? अब जो हमारे में गैप जो आता है, जो बेसिकली क्या गैप आता है कि our management students, especially MBA students, they are very ambitious, over ambitious. In fact, they are dangerously ambitious. What they are thinking, yes, I'm an MBA student, I'm a management student. Even हमारे बीवे के बच्चे बोलते हैं, no ma'am, we don't want to go for marketing job, हमें marketing नहीं करना है, sales नहीं करना है. They start flying. Can you imagine there are 1,000 students, 1,000 institutes, lakhs students and very few companies. This is the ratio. कम से कम दिल्ली में आपके 1,000 से ऊपर इंस्टीट्यूट्स है, लाख से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स है, और जॉब्स कितनी है? फ्यू जॉब्स. So now companies are looking all rounder students. It's hardly matter कि you are MBA हो तो आपको ये काम नहीं करना पड़ेगा. You have to do everything. और व्हाट हैपन जब एमबीए को लगता है कि आई एम एमबीए स्टूडेंट, इफ दे आर नॉट अवेयर विद द रियलिटी ऑफ द कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड, दे स्टार्ट गेटिंग फ्रस्ट्रेटेड एंड दे स्टार्ट आई मीन दिस एक जॉब किया, दूसरा किया, which is not a healthy sign, which is not good neither for the student nor for the organization. So this is the gap कि you should be well aware with the realities of the corporate world. And this is the reason I'll tell you there are 12 reasons why they are getting rejected. First of all, job hopping. What I'm saying you कि आपने मैनेज एमबीए कर लिया या बीबीए कर लिया, यू स्टार्ट फ्लाइंग, यू आर थिंकिंग इट्स अ केक वॉक नाउ, अरे मुझे तो एक फैट सैलरी मिलना चाहिए विद द ऑफिस सिटिंग जॉब, आई एम नॉट कंफर्टेबल विद द मार्केटिंग जॉब और विद द सेल्स जॉब, मुझे धूप में बाहर नहीं जाना है, सो आई प्रेफर ऑफिस सिटिंग जॉब विद द फैट सैलरी. दिस इज द हाई एक्सपेक्टेशन. इसके बेस में नॉर्मली स्टूडेंट्स गेट रिजेक्टेड. नंबर वन. नंबर टू, वॉन्ट रीलोकेट. आजकल ट्रेंड क्या चल रहा है, या वांटेड कि हमें तो दिल्ली में ही जॉब मिल जाए, दिल्ली में भी घर के पास मिल जाए, दिल्ली से बाहर नहीं जाना है, ठीक है, और वी वांटेड टू गो ओनली इन मेट्रो सिटीज, नॉट इंटीरियर. So these are the reasons why you're getting rejected. Number three, wrong personality. What is wrong personality? For example, you're very rigid, you're not very comfortable with crowd, you're not comfortable with talking, your communication skills are not very good, but you wanted to go for marketing job. This is a wrong personality, right? For example, you are saying, ma'am, I wanted to go for finance profile, लेकिन आपको उसका ABC भी नहीं आता है. This is wrong personality. ठीक है. Number four, unrealistic salary. As I told you, after doing this management course, students start flying. अरे हमें तो 5 लाख 10 लाख से कम की सैलरी नहीं चाहिए, without understanding कि economy is very down, सब क्या इस टाइम चल रहा है, they don't know anything about the job profile, but they have some high expectations, right? So these are the reasons, like background, employment record, personality, and being unprepared. आप जॉब में चले तो गए हो देने के लिए, but you don't know anything about the company. आपने कंपनी के बारे में पढ़ा ही नहीं. You are not clear about the job profile. So these are the, you are not prepared, wrong negotiation. So these are the 12 reasons normally students get rejected. So you have to be very careful, right? And preparation. This is the point. Yes. Is there any doubt? Okay, so we need to prepare ourselves, right? इसके लिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? I have divided in 3 different stages, right? Number 1 is how to make your resume. Number 2, job search, and number 3, art of interview. So resume में क्या करना है? You have to make a very strong, a very effective resume, and whatever you have write on your resume, you should be able to justify it. कभी कभी आप लोग बहुत बड़े बड़े जॉब ऑब्जेक्टिव लिख देते हो, बट यू डोंट नो एनीथिंग अबाउट द जॉब ऑब्जेक्टिव. आपके प्लान्स क्या हैं, यू डोंट नो एनीथिंग. आपने कट कॉपी पेस्ट किया, अपना एक अट्रैक्टिव सा उसमें ऑब्जेक्टिव डाल दिया. बट इट इज माई एडवाइस, वॉट एवर यू राइट, यू प्लीज able to convince these people, right? And secondly, your CV should not be more than 1 page, क्योंकि you are a fresher. बहुत 2 pages के जो resume थे, they are not very interesting, they don't want to read. So make a very small, a very attractive and very effective resume in a 1 page, right? Then you need to search job. सर्च करने के लिए क्या क्या कर सकते हैं? यू कैन गो थ्रू न्यूज़पेपर्स, यू कैन रिसर्च इट, जो जॉब पोर्टल में जा सकते हो, न्यूज़पेपर देख सकते हो, नेटवर्किंग के थ्रू यू कैन फाइंड आउट जॉब्स, इंटरनेट जॉब पोर्टल्स and employment exchange agencies also. And finally, we have, as I told you, we have a very strong alumni association, and they are visiting our campus site time to time. So even sometimes they are sharing their leads also, right? The art of interview. Art of interview means ki, for example, you wanted to apply for any organization, so it is my advice, do SWOT analysis first. You just sit down, write down your strength, your weak point. कि आपका strength क्या है? You're very good in communication, you like talking with people, ठीक है, आपको traveling में बहुत मजा आता है, you are a fit candidate for marketing profile. If you are very academically very good and you hesitate, you're not very comfortable in talking with lots of people, but your research is good, you can always go for research profile, you can always go for finance profile. So you have to analyze yourself first कि आपके weak points क्या है, क्योंकि अब तक हमको पता होता है कि हमारा प्लस और माइनस पॉइंट क्या है. So on the basis of your strength, on the basis of weak point, you can आइडेंटिफाई कि आपको कौन सा जॉब आपके लिए फिट बैठता है, राइट? एंड देन डू सम होमवर्क। आपने अपने को आइडेंटिफाई किया, आई एम वेरी गुड इन मार्केटिंग, आई लव ट्रैवलिंग, ठीक है, माय कम्युनिकेशंस आर वेरी स्ट्रांग, यू आर द फिट पर्सनालिटी फॉर मार्केटिंग प्रोफाइल। अब आपने मार्केटिंग के लिए अपने आइडेंटिफाई किया, देन सर्च जॉब, एंड as I told you कि then again visit their website। आपने केपीएमजी में अपने मार्केटिंग के लिए अप्लाई किया, तो उनकी मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटेजी क्या है, उनके मार्केटिंग ऑफिसेस क्या क्या है, उनका टर्नओवर क्या है, व्हाट आर द एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चन, यू हैव टू डू दिस होमवर्क, right? And you should be very clear, your thought clarity is very very important, and then you need to work on communication and soft skill। and my advice, finally, practice practice practice। सिर्फ प्रैक्टिस से ही आप लोग अपने को इसको क्वालिफाई कर सकते हो। एंड दिस इज द मार्किंग शीट जो आप लोगों को जो मिलते हैं ना, आपके जो सिलेक्शन और जो रिजेक्शन होते हैं, दिस इज द पैरामीटर। कम्युनिकेशन स्किल जो आपकी होते हैं, दैट इज अ 30%, प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग 20%, टीम वर्क 20, नॉलेज 20, लीडरशिप 10। आप यू कैन मेक आउट कि आउट ऑफ 100 ओनली आपका जो रेलेवेंट नॉलेज है वो 20% है, बाकी communication, problem solving, teamwork, your leadership quality, all comes under your attitude. Clear? And this is the what to wear. So as we already discussed, please don't come in jeans and t-shirts. Girls, don't come in, I mean very casual, come in formal. Try to follow business suits, right? So it is my advice, if you're following all such instructions, no one can stop your good placement. You are able to get your dream job easily, right? So with this, I would like to invite queries. I would like to invite questions. Yes. Is there any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I wanted to know about the BBA
Please
placements. Like,
speak aloud.
is it?
Speak aloud.
Ma'am, I wanted to know about the BBA placements. Like, there is no data available. So,
Yes.
how can I
Yeah,
check?
very nice question. What's your name? Can you introduce
Tanmay.
yourself?
Tanmay
Sorry?
Saxena.
Tanmay. Yes, Tanmay. Tanmay, what is your background?
Ma'am, commerce.
Okay. Okay. What are you planning after BBA?
Most probably, I will go for work ex of 1 to 2 years, and
Hmm.
then maybe abroad for MBA.
Okay. For MBA, right? Okay. So I think you get this answer. This is, normally happen with BBA students. 80% students are going for further studies, right? For example, we have 360 students. Believe me, 320 students are going for further study. 20 students are going for entrepreneur. Just 20 students, they are interested for job. Yes, we have 100% placement for those 20 students. Okay. So as you said कि मैम after 1 or 2 years I would like to go for further study. नॉर्मली क्या होता है, जब आप सेकेंड ईयर में पहुंचोगे, आप कैट वेट के एग्जाम देना शुरू कर दोगे, तो वंस यू गेट योर नंबर इन गुड कॉलेज, आप इमिडिएटली एडमिशन ले लोगे। एंड इट इज हैपनिंग इन अवर कॉलेज। If you're interested in placement, of course we have a good placement, but students should be interested. This year we had placement for BBA in a Lenskart, in BIBA, in KPMG, and AC Nielsen.
What
Okay,
was the average package for these
BBA
jobs?
student.
Yeah, for
Okay,
BPO
BBA
students.
के लिए normally we have a very fixed salary. Like companies are coming with a range of 3 lakh to 4.5 lakh rupees. This is the range.
Okay.
Few companies like Byju's ka package, it was 7.5 lakh rupees. Jado ka package, I think it was around 6 lakh rupees. So very few companies, but normally companies, those are coming for BBA student between 3 to 4.5 lakh rupees. Yes?
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am,
Yes.
one more thing. Like, what are the internship opportunities here? Like, will the college give us internships, or like we will have to search for it?
Okay. I tell you, it is your choice. क्या होगा आफ्टर योर थर्ड सेमेस्टर व्हेन यू एंटर इन फोर्थ सेमेस्टर विल गिव यू वन एप्लीकेशन, एक आपको फॉर्मेट देंगे, यू हैव टू गिव मी इन राइटिंग यू वांटेड टू गो थ्रू कॉलेज ऑफ कैंपस करना है या ऑन कैंपस करना है, because normally what happened, our few students they belong to, they come from out of the Delhi, yeah, across the Delhi, so they prefer to go back in their hometown at the time of vacation, and they prefer कि अपने जहाँ जाएंगे वहीं से किसी कंपनी में अपना इंटर्नशिप कर लेंगे. So we always take preference from you कि आपको ऑफ कैंपस करना है, ऑन कैंपस करना है. If you say no ma'am, we wanted to go through college only, of course we will provide you place, but initially it is your choice कि आपको through college जाना है या off college जाना है. I tell you, this time even during this COVID-19 pandemic, we placed 280 students. We provide summer internship for 280 students during lockdown through CRG, through college. Okay, but you should be interested. That is more important. Clear? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
पहले जितना फोटो तुम मुझे समझ ईमेल करोगी
Speak aloud.
व्हाट्सएप नहीं
Speak aloud.
करोगी ईमेल करोगी.
Speak aloud. Yes. Is there any other doubt?
Yes ma'am, I wanted to ask one question.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I wanted to ask that how many internship do we have to do to have a good CV and for abroad studies or maybe to have a good placement?
Okay. What's your name?
Ma'am, Harsh Pathak.
Okay. Harsh, I'll tell you one thing. I believe in quality, not in numbers. ठीक है? आपने 2 दिन internship कर ली. Am I audible? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm sure ma'am.
I believe in quality rather than number. For example, you wanted to make your CV very attractive. You have mentioned कि इतनी companies से आपने internship किया, but you don't know anything about not even a single project. So it is not like this. It is your choice. If you can manage one or two topic, one or two, three project, it is purely a choice. But whatever you do, you should be able to justify it. कुछ भी करो, कुछ भी project बनाओ, you should be able to justify it. भले वो आपका एक प्रोजेक्ट हो, 2 हो, 3 हो, it is purely your choice and that's your management.
Okay, thank you so much ma'am.
Okay. Yes.
So, ma'am, can we get some internship opportunities easy here?
Sorry,
Like, do
can you
companies
repeat?
come here?
Sorry?
Ma'am, do companies come here and provide internship opportunities?
Internship के लिए normally we have this much networking कि very few companies are coming to hire for internship. वो normally हम जब बच्चों को CV भेजते हैं वो लोग उनको accept कर लेते हैं because now we have this much marketing, I mean good rapport with the companies, so they normally accept our students without having much interviews. कुछ companies है जो new companies add on होती है, they normally take interviews, but normally 80% company they normally, when the moment we send them your resume, they accept it.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, sometimes
Excuse
they
me,
are
ma'am.
visiting for hiring, they conduct process also, but less. Normally they accept our students easily. They know quality of
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम बीबीए के लिए इंटर्नशिप्स में कौन कौन सी कंपनीज आती हैं जनरली?
देखो जो भी कंपनी जो फाइनल के लिए आती है वो इंटर्न्स के तो आधी आती हैं. एसी निल्सन ने लिया था, केपीएमजी ने लिया था, जे मैराथन, बायजूस, एचडीएफसी बैंक, लॉट ऑफ कंपनीज.
थैंक यू मैम.
Yeah.
Ma'am, as you said that Byju's are offering at packages of 7.5. So what are
Yes.
those job profiles like marketing, sales? What
It's
like what is it?
operation and marketing. Operation and marketing. And one thing, students, I would like to clear it ki don't be fussy because you were a BBA students, right? So don't say you wanted to go hardcore finance or hardcore HR. Please, you should be all rounder. You should be all rounder. Normally what happen, banks जो होते हैं, they are very particular, they are hiring student, और वो आपको हर 4 months पे रोटेट करते रहते हैं. First 4 months HR, for next 4 months फाइनेंस, और जहां आपका बेस्ट आउटपुट आता है वो आपको लोकेशन या वो आपको प्रोफाइल मिलता है. सो सम कंपनीज आर वेरी फर्स्टी, दे बिलीव कि बच्चों की क्वालिटी उनको जज, उनसे काम करवाने के बाद जज करते हैं, स्पेशली बैंक्स.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
what was last year's highest package for BBA?
आई टोल्ड यू ना कि यही आप लोगों का मेरे ख्याल से बायजूस का गया था शायद 7.5. बाकी जो सारे एवरेज 3.3 टू 4.5 लाख का पैकेज है. केपीएमजी का भी 4 लाख का पैकेज, आई थिंक 3.75 का पैकेज था. I'll tell you one thing. If you are going for research profile, of course, your package is not very high. Okay. If you are going for marketing and sale, you are getting good incentives. So automatically your CTC become very high. Okay.
Ma'am, what was last year's highest package for MBA?
Last year it was 18 lakh rupees from Indica.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes. Okay, tell me one thing. How? Okay, it's not possible for me to take feedback here only. Normally, students are going for further study. Normally. Okay, I'll just take randomly names. Huh? Harsh, what are you planning after your graduation?
Ma'am, generally I am planning to take ma'am further abroad studies or ma'am maybe an MBA from I don't know any good college.
Okay, further study. Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Fine, fine.
Yeah, ma'am.
Prerna, is Prerna there? Prerna, can you hear me? Prerna? No. Paridhi? Paridhi? Okay. Gunjan?
Yes, ma'am.
What are you planning after graduation?
Ma'am, after my graduation, I am planning to do 1 to 2 years of job, take the experience, and do MBA further.
Okay, good. Saksham girl? Saksham, what are you planning? Harshita, what are you planning after MBA? Sorry, graduation BBA?
Ma'am, I will directly go for MBA.
देखा, you can. अभी तक मैंने I think I just spoke 4 to 5 students. Majority is going for further study. So this is the ratio out of 33 60 students. Normally 20 25 students are going for jobs. So we are able to place all 25 students, right?
and ma'am, what about entrepreneurs, those who want to become?
Yes. As I told you, we have a entrepreneur cell. Tipti ma'am is taking care of this cell, and she is a very kind person, and we are inviting people from outside, from corporate, for entrepreneurs also. So time to time we organize meets with the students, और वो आके अपने business plan share करते हैं. They teach you how you can start your business and what is the costing, क्या business plan कैसे बनाना है. So we are engaging people from the outside.
Okay.
You can always go for entrepreneurship.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
ma'am, do we have investors in our campus?
Do we ever?
Investors
Investor for what?
for like new business and entrepreneurs?
देखो, you have to give your choice first. अगर नंबर ज्यादा होता है तो we can always organize seminars for and we can always invite investor from outside also, but there should be number also, no? Yes.
Is funding
Harsh,
provided to the entrepreneurs?
sorry.
Is funding provided to the entrepreneurs?
No. No, I don't think so. yes, you can take loan. जो अभी ये स्मार्ट इंडिया ये जो मोदी में स्टार्ट हुआ, मोदी गवर्नमेंट ने, उसमें कुछ फंडिंग वगैरह थी, बट नॉट बाय थ्रू द कॉलेज. यू हैव टू मेक योर बिजनेस प्लान. उसमें फंडिंग कहाँ से होगी वो वी कैन टीच यू, बट वी कैन नॉट प्रोवाइड यू. Harshita, do you have some query?
No,
Harshita?
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, आपका hand raise है इसीलिए. Yes, student, is there any other doubt? Yes. So I think time is up now. It is 1:07. So I would like to wind up this session. And if there is any problem, you are always most welcome. I'll request to Nancy ma'am, please add me in your group so we can talk in through WhatsApp also. Okay?
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you so much and good day. And welcome
Thank
in
you,
this
ma'am.
college for good job. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.